Get ready to learn all the juicy details in this elite luxury tour of the most insane billionaire dream houses on the planet. We'll start by taking a peek at the many stunning properties of the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. His luxury estates will blow your mind. What do the interiors of billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos look like? You've probably always wondered. The residences of Jeff Bezos. Since starting Amazon in his basement in 1994, Jeff Bezos has accumulated a net worth of more than $1 music. It's easy to imagine guests getting confused, roaming about up in Seattle at 167.6 centimeters for this Georgian-style estate on 9 acres of land with approximately 14,000 square feet of living area, including a wide terrace, elaborate ceiling decorations, and a massive grand ballroom. Additionally, Bezos owns 2 adjacent estates on 5 acres. The first is a 20,000 square foot property, while the other, which cost an estimated $53 million for a 300 square foot of luxurious living, is so large that even your GPS may have trouble navigating between the rooms. While the average billionaire constantly upgrades to ever more lavish properties, Elon Musk's unconventional home, which has a net worth exceeding $243 square feet, is his primary residence. This unconventional home still boasts some unique amenities like a chef's kitchen stylish bathroom with a rain shower head, a living room that opens to the outdoors, plus laundry facilities and climate control systems. We suppose when your aims involve revolutionizing transportation on Earth and colonizing Mars, you enjoy a centralized low-maintenance home base with no place for unnecessary superfluous Bill Gates. Elon Musk is satisfied to live simply in his tiny SpaceX neighboring home, high-tech mansion worth $63 million with his renowned $66,000 square foot Washington residence, which took over 7 years and $63 million to build. Bill Gates essentially invented the concept of the high-tech smart home. Among the many amazing high-tech features are wall panels that control temperature, music, and lighting through touchpads in every room, an underwater sound system in his 60-foot swimming pool and trampoline room, and a statewide server that monitors the entire property with over $100 million worth of art and valuables inside. Facial recognition screens are also necessary for security, as Gates' Seattle area architectural marvel Gates owns a $8.7 million equestrian mansion in Florida, specifically designed for his daughter's love of show jumping, in addition to a $18 million luxury ranch in Southern California for vacationing. However, the Xanadu 2.0 residents of Mega Mansion continue to be Bill's crown jewel. After 20 years of Mark Zuckerberg's numerous residences, Mark Zuckerberg intends to work from home for the majority of 2022, and he has several possibilities for remote work given his $300 million real estate portfolio, which includes at least 10 residences. While he could afford a 100,000 square foot home, the Facebook CEO has customized his 5,617 square foot main residence in Palo Alto with outlandish AI technology, science, and automation. Inside, he has a robotic AI butler named Jarvis, who was inspired by the comic book character Tony Stark and can control appliances, lighting, temperature, music, security, and even Zuck's dinner orders. Mega Mansion with ease. Zuckerberg cherishes his privacy so highly that he paid a hefty price for 4 adjacent homes to create a calm, secluded complex for his rather ordinary-looking main house, which is a high-tech haven, the humble residences of billionaire investor Warren Buffett. Although he stacks paper to the ceiling, Warren Buffett is well known for leading a modest Midwestern lifestyle. His primary residence, which he bought for $31,500 in 1958, is a modest 570 square foot home in Omaha, Nebraska, valued at approximately $800,000 today. Although it's fairly basic housing for someone whose net worth exceeds $1.1 billion, Warren enjoys a simple life in his quiet neighborhood. He has stated that he would move if he felt happier somewhere else, but Omaha works just fine for him. Although it is currently valued at almost $1 million, Buffett's vacation home in Laguna Beach, California, which he purchased for just $150,000 in 1971, is nonetheless incredibly modest living quarters for a high-ranking financial executive. Unlike many millionaires, Hotshot isn't fixated on flaunting extravagant wealth. Warren Buffett would rather play the part of an everyday person. He drives an older automobile, lives a cheap lifestyle, and will gladly meet you at McDonald's in his hometown in the Midwest. Property worth $1 billion owned by Larry Ellison Empire Oracle founder Larry Ellison has amassed a master trophy real estate portfolio valued at over $1 billion, not including his expansive 23-acre Woodside home in California, which cost an estimated $200 million to build and was inspired by his vision for a Japanese imperial style. Ellison also owns more than 20 expensive properties in Malibu, as well as mansions across California, Florida, and even the entire Hawaiian Islands. However, why does someone who could easily retire to a private island own so many extravagant homes? Larry Ellison's luxury properties are more about surrounding himself with unique amenities, beautiful architecture, and a culture of living elegantly than they are about making a lot of money. Mukesh Ambani's $1 billion skyscraper in Mumbai, the richest guy in India. With his 27-story Mumbai home, which cost more than $1 billion to build, Mukesh Ambani raised the bar on luxury. Its 400,000 square foot tower has amenities suitable for a king or queen, including a 168-car garage, 3 helipads, a large ballroom, and a health spa. You know you've reached peak luxurious billionaire status when your residential high-rise includes not just 1, but 4 floors simply for parking. The cinema room seats 50, so naturally this billionaire has preempted any in-home movie night fights about who sits where. Media mogul Oprah Winfrey's several estates, Oprah Winfrey's enormous riches and celebrity status are evident in her extensive real estate portfolio, which includes at least 7 residences. Her 23,000 square foot Monterey mansion is known as the Promised Land, and she also has an opulent 73-acre estate in Washington that she paid over $8 million for. Which of the luxurious estates we highlighted is your personal favorite, and whose high-tech smart home gadgets would you most like to test out in person? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like. Oprah has an impressive portfolio of investment and vacation properties, with homes in almost every desirable location imaginable. You can be sure that wherever she goes, whether for business or pleasure, she will be pampered to the highest degree as she builds her real estate empire, one mega mansion at a time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Elite Luxury for additional peeks inside the extravagant lives of the ultra-wealthy.